Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've never done like somebody else inspire my makeup look because like I always feel like it's gonna be a fail, but this one might be okay because it's simple, so bear with me. I'm currently drinking a smoothie. I've been trying to do more lifestyle stuff like on my Instagram, so I'm gonna be talking about like things I normally eat for breakfast, and then like my usual like weekly like working out routines and stuff like that. So this, I don't usually eat this for breakfast. I don't know if you can see. I don't usually eat because I'm at school and I don't have a blender. So yeah, I don't usually do this, but when I'm at home, my favorite things to have for breakfast is a smoothie. This one's a pineapple banana one. If you guys like, I could leave the recipe to my smoothies in the description box. Yeah. Alright. So let me tell you a little backstory behind this video. I did not know what I wanted to do for like my comeback like makeup tutorial, and I was scrolling through Instagram and I passed by this picture of LIZZO, and I was like, wow, like that's a really pretty like natural makeup look. Now I do natural makeup looks all the time, so I know this ain't nothing new, but I've never been able to do it so well that like you can still tell like my face is beat, like, you know what I'm saying, like from far away people don't even know that like I be having makeup on. It's like I need to do like a really nice beat natural look. Like I don't know, whatever, but I just felt like this picture was such like a good combination of all of that. Like she just looks so bomb, and I was like, wow, I want to look like that. So that's what we're doing for this video. I'm gonna try to recreate this look. I got my clips in. You all wondering what this shit is. I got my clips in just to push my hair back. So first thing I did was I already did foundation. I just figured it would just take too long. And then I set my face with my NYX powder, my setting powder. And in this picture, LIZZO got like a little bit of a matte look, so I'm just gonna go ahead and like copy her with that. First thing I noticed were that her eyebrows were a little bit like wider than mine. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and like overline my eyebrows a little bit. I hope I don't jack this up, just cause I want to get it how she has it. And don't worry, I'm gonna clean them up, so relax. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that one alone. But while I'm ahead, oh yeah, I'm using my Wonder Brow. This is the only eyebrow stuff that I use. People buy me like makeup kits with eyebrow all stuff, like eyebrow pencils. I'm not gonna use it. I'm not. That's really the one thing I'm not gonna use it. I only use Wonder Brow. Okay. It stays on for me all day, and I don't ever have to worry about it sweating off. Okay, I'm just gonna draw them in a little more. I have a big forehead, and I like my eyebrows to look a little bit closer together than they naturally are. Whew. There we go. I'm gonna clean them up with my Maybelline concealer. This is a little bit lighter than my skin, so I'm only gonna use a little bit. And this is just to clean them up because LIZZO's eyebrows were cleaned, so my eyebrows gotta be clean. Who's texting me? I don't know what. I don't know if I should do the contour next or the eyes. Maybe I should do the eyes because those are hard. Contour first? I'm gonna do contour first. Yeah, I'm using my NYX contour palette. It's broken. As you can see, it's been broken. I've had this for so long, but it's like it's still usable, so I don't see a point in throwing it out and trying to buy a new one. So yeah, so I'm taking, this is a light contour. In the photo, her contour is not really heavy, so this is gonna be like a super light contour. She mostly used like bronzer, which I'm gonna use in a second. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this color, a little bit of these two colors, to the bridge of my nose. Like I do. I'm trying to get this look exactly perfect. Except for the straight wig, I ain't got that. So next I'm gonna use bronzer. This is the MAC bronzer. It's actually my mom's. Sorry, but I needed it for this video. So I'm only gonna use a little bit and put it right back. LIZZO has better like bone structure than I do. There's better cheeks. So it is what it is. I do my best. But yeah, that's a little bit of what she got going on there. Okay. Now I'm gonna go for the eyes, y'all. Alright, I'm using this palette from Too Faced. And then I'm using my Ulta Beauty brush and my Wet n Wild brush. I'm nervous for the eyes. Like, I feel like I'm gonna tear this up. Anyways, I'm probably gonna have to use two palettes. So I'm gonna go in with this palette that I got from Amazon. I forgot what it's called. It's called like Pelote or something like that. It's not like a really popular brand, but their colors are pigmented. And it was a cheap palette and it has hella colors in it. Like, it has all of these and then it has 3 underneath. Like, that's what I needed. So that's what I got and it was cheap. So yeah, I'm gonna be like dipping and dabbling between each palette. So excuse me. She has a little bit of a slight highlight like up here. I kind of have a natural one just from like plucking. Yeah, so but I'm gonna go in with a super light color. I'm using this one at the bottom of my Pelote palette. Ooh, that's too light. Just to get it like trying to almost go exactly how she has it. That's it. Now to try and get the contour look for the eyes, I'm going in with 2 colors. I'm starting with the Cookie Served from the Too Faced palette. I'm gonna see if this is too dark or too light or whatever, and then like I'll adjust it if it is. But what she does is she has it like up really like up here. Y'all know I'm scared. I'm just gonna try to do one eye and then do the other, and like if I did something wrong, then like I won't make the same mistake on the other eye. Hers is a little bit darker in this corner of the eye, so I'm gonna go in with the color Chocolate, you see? Chocolate Wasted over here in the corner of my crease. Excuse the lighting, y'all. Sorry about that. She also has a little bit of like the dark underneath her eye, so this is about to be really hard. So I'm about to take my Ulta brush and taking the flat surface, and I'm using like the edge of it just to get like underneath my eye. And now for like the base of my lid, I'm going in with this fine cone color. It's about my skin color, so, or my eyelid color. She has like a very, she has like a very light shimmer, so I'm trying to figure out which one I should go in with. So I'm going in with this color right here. It's a nice shimmer. Actually, no, I'm gonna use this one because this one is a little bit more of like what she has on in the picture. And then I'm gonna go ahead and then just like blend it in with my crease with like the fluffy side of my other Ulta Beauty brush. And yeah, okay, that's not bad. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with the other eye. Before I do like lashes and mascara or anything, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face. So my favorite is Wet n Wild, but this is a new one that I just got. It's a coconut. It's a 3-in-1 primer water, so it's prep, set, and refresh. So I did use this on my face before I applied my foundation. Now I'm gonna use it again now that I did my eyeshadow. Ugh. I always cover my hair like when I do it because like it gets to my roots and then my edges be looking great. I can't do it. I don't really notice any highlight like in the picture, but y'all know I gotta add my highlight, and I don't think LIZZO will be mad at me for adding some highlight. Come on now, she'll be like, yes girl, do that. So I'm gonna do it. I'm using my Fenty Beauty, and this is the, what's this one called? Mean Honey and Hustle Baby palette. The Hustle Baby is the highlight, it's this one. Hustle Baby is that one. I'm gonna do it lightly. Even though it already looks like I got it on because it's freaking light. Right. I forgot to add brow gel, y'all. My bad. So I'm using the Anastasia's Beverly Hills. Can you see? No, you cannot. Beverly Hills eyebrow gel like this. And unfortunately, I don't have those super long lashes that she has in a pic. I don't have them. Sorry. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go and prep my eyes for the lashes. So I use my Wet n Wild Mega Length Mascara. It's kind of dried out a little bit, but I don't really need it to give me length. I just needed to push my eyelashes down to prep it for the lashes. So y'all know how I am. There's no way I'll be able to do my lashes like right here in this camera. So I'm gonna head off camera for a minute, put my lashes on, and then come back, okay? All right. All right guys, thank you again so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Make sure you like this video, a comment. Tell me what's up, like what's going on. Tell me if you were feeling this look. Tell me if there's another celebrity you think that I could better copy or emulate or whatever. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. I don't know what's coming up next for my videos and stuff like that, but hopefully it's some great stuff. Hopefully some more makeup tutorials. And yeah, thanks again for watching. Bye.